You need to hear this if you're flying. Massive cancellations are still rolling in. Providence shattered its all-time snow record. Driving bans are in effect. Monday's megastorm shut down travel from North Carolina to Maine. More than 5,700 flights canceled and counting. Providence got roughly 3 feet, smashing the 1978 record. Parts of NYC saw about 19 inches. Over 600,000 homes lost power. Major travel bans were issued. Officials warned of near-impossible conditions. LaGuardia canceled nearly all departures. JFK canceled nearly all departures. If you must travel, check your airline first. Otherwise, stay home and stay safe. Hit follow for live updates. Cruise Dig Out.